Hello and welcome to Chris Motorcycles in Doncaster. Today we've got something a little bit special for you guys out there. 1956 BSA Spitfire replica with a CB32 Gold Star frame and a D10R engine. I'm just going to get David to pop in and point some of the special features of this bike out to you. So we'll start off with the frame.
As you can see, the frame is a genuine Gold Star CB32 frame. The engine is stamped DA10R and it has also had the twin carb conversion. This bike was restored possibly 10 years ago and been in a private collection since. Will start and run, does have the small badged Gold Star tank fitted, and this bike started off live as Chris Vincents' grass tracking outfit bike, which I have a photograph of him on the outfit bike.
Yeah, the bike is registered, road registered as well, and does start and run quite nicely. Nice set of high pipes on there as well. So yeah, something a bit special in stock at Chris Motorcycles today. Does sit well though, this bike, I have to say. So yeah, if you'd like any more information on this vehicle, you can give us a call 01302 760 967, or you can email me chrismotorcycles@googlemail.com. Like I said, this bike is in stock now, along with our other 100+ classics. And yeah, if you like, we can do nationwide delivery on this vehicle as well, starting at £150 excluding the extremities. So yeah, if you'd like to keep up to date with these videos on YouTube, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And above all else folks, have a good day. Cheers.